Hey guys, it's Rana back again with new video, and in this exciting video I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a social network site or community website, or you can say website like a Facebook or any other social network site out there. This is going to be a website for free. Yeah, we are not going to spend any money at all to create this website. This video going to be a fun to watch. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Before we start this video, make sure guys hit the like button, it would be appreciated, and I will create more videos for you guys in future if you show some. Anyways, if you tell your friends that now you have your own website like a Facebook or social network site, then you must see their reaction. And we are going to create this website with WordPress. Don't worry if you do not know about WordPress at all. I'll walk you through step-by-step process how you can create your website. You will find a step-by-step guide or timestamp in the description box of this video, so that you can watch any part of this video by going to that timestamp code, right? So more links in the description box as well. Make sure you check out those links as well. So without wasting more time, let's get started and let's create a website like a Facebook. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started and let's create a website like Facebook, or you can say community website or any other social network site. To create any website, whether it's a social network site or community website, we require two things. First is a web hosting and second is a domain name. Since in this video we are going to create website for free, we need a free web hosting and free domain name. To get that, first of all perform a Google search for freenom and open up this website in a new tab. Right click, open link in a new tab, and now perform another Google search for infinityfree.net. Now open up this website in the same tab. From infinityfree.net we are going to get free web hosting for lifetime, and from freenom.com we will get a free domain name for 1 year. Once you get yourself familiar with a free website like a free social network site or community site, then you can upgrade your plan. So now let's get a domain name first. To get a domain name, let's go ahead, click on sign in. The time I'm recording this video, freenom.com has some kind of technical issues, like you're not able to log in or sign up on this website. However, if you're able to sign in or log in, then you won't be able to register your free domain name on this website. If you are getting any kind of issues or error to get your free domain name from this website, you can watch my other video. I already created a video to fix all those problems. You can find that video link in the description box of this video, or you can click somewhere around here to watch that video, right? Anyways, I'm going to sign in with my existing email and password. So you can see I've successfully logged in. Now I'm going to register a free domain name. To do that, let's click on this drop down button alongside services and then click on register a new domain. Just follow my steps and you will get your free domain name. From here, you can type your domain name that you want. Domain name is going to be your website name, and hosting that we are going to get from Infinity Free. If you do not know what is web hosting, well, web hosting is kind of place where all your website file will be stored, right? So it's kind of computer where all your website data will be stored. Anyways, let's continue with our domain name. So let's go ahead, type your domain name. Since in this video we are going to create website like Facebook, so I'm gonna type something like handbook and then click on check availability. You can type whatever you want. This is just a demonstration purposes. Wait for a couple of seconds, and here you can see that these are the free domains, and if you scroll down you can see these are the paid one. We are interested in free domain, so I'm going to get one of them. These .tk.ml is already taken, you cannot get that. .ga and .gq is available, but .cf not free. I don't know why, but we can get one of them. Let's go ahead, click on .ga, click on get it now, and then scroll up and click on check out. And here click on this drop down button and change this time period to 12-month free, and then click on use DNS, and then click on use your own DNS, and here we have to type a name server of our free web hosting. In this example, we have to type a name server of this infinityfree.net. Now let's perform another Google search for Infinity Free name servers and open up the first website. And you can see that these are the name server. Highlight it, copy it. Let's close this tab let's go back to your free nom and paste your name server, and one more time, and just delete this one and type 2, and then click on continue and check this box and click on complete order. Alright, order confirmation. This is your order number. Now you can go to your client area. If you click over here, you maybe get this kind of error. Don't worry, we successfully registered our domain name. Just go back to that page and click on this drop down button alongside services, and then click on my domains. And now you can see we have successfully registered our domain name. You can see that if you click on manage domain and then go to this drop down button and then click on name servers, you can see that we have successfully added our name server. Okay, let's copy this domain name. Let's close freenom.com tab. So now we are going to get a free web hosting. Let's go ahead, click on sign up now. Now fill this sign up form, type in your email, password and your confirm password. Now we have to verify our email address. Let's go to your email box. Now you can see that we just received an email from Infinity Free. Let's open this up, and now we have to verify this email. Let's go ahead, click on verify email address. Now your email address has been verified. Now you can log in. So I'm gonna close this browser. Let's continue with our Firefox. Click on log out. So let's go ahead and log in. Let's complete this captcha. Click on I agree. So here you can see that we can create 3 different accounts. There is a 0 account active. Let's go ahead, click on create account. Close this advertisement. Now click on custom domain, and here you have to type your domain name and then click on search domain. Domain is available, which is first and good point. Now you can see that domain is available. Let's continue with our next step. In the second step, you can see that we have to type our account label. Account label website for handbook. You can type whatever you want. Just type in your password over here. I'm not a robot. Complete this captcha. Streetlight. Click on create account. So now go ahead, click on open control panel. Click on I approve. Alright guys, so this is a Infinity Free cPanel. Now let's move with our next step. In this step, we are going to install a WordPress. To install a WordPress, but before that, let's close these tabs. Now scroll down and install a WordPress. Now look for software section and click on this Softa Classes apps installer. And now you will see WordPress. Let's go ahead, click on install. Here we have to type in few information. First, we have to change this site setting, site name. You can type your site name. I'm going to type in handbook, site description. You can type whatever you want. This is just for demonstration purposes. And type in your admin account information like admin username and password. This information will allow you to log in into your WordPress dashboard. So make sure you type and remember this information. And your email. Scroll down and select your language, English, which is good. Keep scrolling down. Just click on install. I'm gonna click on save. Alright guys, so from here you can access your WordPress dashboard by going to this link. Let's right click, open link in a new tab. You can see that your WordPress dashboard. Reload the page. Sometimes this happens. Alright guys, so this is your WordPress dashboard. Now we have successfully installed our WordPress. Let's go ahead and visit your site. So this is your WordPress website looks like by default. There is no content over here. This is a fresh website. Now let's continue with our next step and start building our website. But before that, let's go ahead, close these tabs because we don't really need them. Now let's come back to the dashboard of your WordPress, and now let's move with our next step. Alright guys, so now we are going to install a theme. So this theme going to turn our simple website into a community website or website like a Facebook. Okay, so let's go ahead and install a theme. To do that, let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. And now click on add new. Now come over here and search for BuddyX. And now we are going to install this theme. Let's go ahead, click on install and then click on activate. So once you install this theme, you will see this type of notice right here. This theme recommend the following plugins. So we have to install these required plugins. So let's go ahead, click on begin installing plugins. And now check this box to select all of them. and go to this drop down menu and select install and then click on apply. It will install all the required plugins. Alright, once you install the plugins, now click on this button, return to the required plugin installer, and now check this box to select all of them. Now go to this drop down menu, this time select activate and then click on apply. Once you install and activate your plugin, let's go to the dashboard. Now click one more time. So now you can see on the dashboard we have this notice right here, BuddyPress is almost ready. You must update your permalink structure to something other than the default for it to work. So let's go ahead and click on update your permalink structure. Now we are inside the permalink settings under our WordPress settings. Here make sure you select your post name and then click on save changes. Alright, your permalink structure has been updated. Let's go to the dashboard once again. So now let's move with our next step. So now let's look at the website. Once you install your theme BuddyX, your site will look like this. This is actually a free theme. This theme also comes with a pro version. If you need more features, then you can go with the pro version of this theme. That is called BuddyX Pro. If you want to install a pro version, you can go to the description box of this video. You will get a link to that website. In fact, I'm going to show you how to buy that theme. Okay, let's go to the Google and perform a Google search for BuddyX. So guys, from here, scroll down and you will see this website right here, wbcomdesign.com. So from here, you can hover your mouse over here, themes, and here you can see this is the BuddyX and this is the BuddyX Pro. This is the free version that we are using and this is the paid version. If you go here, you can see these are the features that you are going to get if you buy a pro version of this theme, right? Anyways, in this video we are going to use a free theme because free theme comes with many features which is more than enough to start with community website or website like a Facebook. Okay, so I'm gonna close this tab as well. Let's come back to your site and let's go to the dashboard, and now let's move with our next step. So guys, now we are going to look at the settings of BuddyPress. So let's go ahead and hover your mouse over settings and then click on BuddyPress. So under the components tab, we have to select all the features, or you can say we have to activate all the features and then click on save settings. Next we have the options. Under the options, make sure you select the second option from the BuddyX and then scroll down. You can select allow a registered member to invite people to join this network. Make sure you check this box, and then under the activity settings, make sure you select this option as well. In fact, you have to select all of these features, or you have to activate all the functionality of this page and then click on save settings. And then let's go to the pages tab. So on this page, make sure you select the right page for each section. Under the directories, we have members. Make sure you select the member page. Activity streams should be activity. User group should be group. Then we have the registration section. Right here you can see we have the two options. First we have the register and then we have the activate. Under the register, we do not have any register page, or we do not have the activate page as well. So how are we gonna select that? Well, we have to create these pages manually. If BuddyPress not able to create these two pages automatically, then you have to create these pages manually, right? But before that, let's go to the general settings of WordPress. So here you can add a tagline of your site and then scroll down. Make sure you check this option, anyone can register on your site, and then scroll down. You can select your time zone. I'm from India. I'm going to select my time zone. Alright, then I'm gonna click on save changes. Alright, now let's go to the BuddyX, then go to the pages. Now you can see we have these two pages automatically created by BuddyPress, right? Which is absolutely good. Let's look at the credit page. We are good here. Do not need to change anything over here. So we are done with our BuddyPress settings. Let's go to the dashboard. Alright, so now let's move with our next step. Let's visit your site. Alright, so now we are going to add a menu on this header section. To do that, let's go ahead, click on customize, and now go to menus, and now click on create new menu. Here you have to type your menu name. I'm gonna click on menu 1 and I'm gonna select primary. and then click on next. And now let's add item to this menu. Let's add home, activate group or member, or you can say activity page. I think I'm gonna remove this activate page. Let's remove that, or you can arrange them just by dragging and dropping, something like that. Okay, once you do that, let's go ahead, click on publish to save your changes, which is good. Let's close this customization for now. So you can see that we have successfully added this menu on our header section, right? So now I'm going to show you how a new user can register themselves on your website. So as you can see that I've logged in as an admin of this website. So if I try to click on register button, nothing will happen because this register button or register page will open for a new user only. Let's copy your website URL and open a private window and open your website. So now I'm act like a new user. If I want to register myself on this website, I have to click on register button right here. In order to create an account on this website, I have to fill this form. Username, I have to type username, my name and my email, and then this password, and then I have to click on complete sign up. If you want more fields on this sign up form, then you can simply come back to your website as an admin. Let's go to your dashboard, and here let's go to user and then click on profile field, and here you can add more fields if you want. Let's go ahead, click on add new field. Here you can add a new field, something like you can type maybe phone number. Below that we have the type of box. Let's select phone number from there, and let's come to the right side. You can see that we have the requirement. It should be required or not. Let's say it is not required, but however, if a new user wants to type their phone number, they can do that, but it is not required. This is going to be optional field, right? And make sure you check this box, use the field into the registration form. Below that we have the visibility, everyone, only me, all members, my friends who can see new user phone number. If you look at below that, you have the two more options to select: allow members to override or enforce field to visibility. If you choose first option, that means new user can change any of these options according to their requirement. So I highly recommend you to select first option. Once you make your changes, click on save. Now let's go back to that private window. Now let's go ahead and refresh the page, and you will see a new field over here. You can see that we have a new field right away. You can see these are the required fields, that's why they are highlighted with a red marker, and this is not a required field. So let's go ahead and register a new user. I'm gonna type my username, user full name, email, phone number, which is optional. I'm not gonna type that. Let's type a password. Let's go ahead, click on complete sign up, check your email to activate your account. So guys, now let's go to your mailbox. Let's see this website has sent this new user an email to activate their account or not. So you can see that this newly created website not send an email to activate a new user account. Why? So because we are using a regular email on our website. You should use a business email to fix sending problem from your website, right? If you want to know how to create a business email, then you can go to my YouTube channel, or you can go to the description box of this video and find out how to create a business email. Your business email, something like this, right? Having this type of business email on your website going to fix all your sending problems. So make sure you do that. But for now, I'm not going to receive that email, so I have to manually activate that account. To do that, let's go to all users under the users, and now you can see that under the pending I have one account. Let's go ahead, open that, and now hover your mouse over here and then click on activate, and then click on confirm. Alright, so now we have two accounts, and now let's go to that private window once again, and now click on login, and let's log in with our username and our password. Click on login. Let's go to the dashboard, and now let's go ahead and type my account page. Alright, maybe let's go here, members page. So you can see that I've successfully logged in as a new user on this website. From here I can go to the profile, and here I can change my profile photo if I want, or I can change my cover image. Let's go ahead and add a cover image, and this is going to be my random cover image. And then you can go ahead and look at the view, and here you can see this is your name, and this you can edit if you want. You can change your name from here if you want. You can type in your phone number. Let's say this is your phone number. I'm gonna randomly type 12345, something like that. Or you can change this field if you want. Who is allowed to see this field? If you say everyone going to look at your phone number. Only me, you can select that. All members who register on this website can see this phone number. If you want to do that, you can select this option. Only my friends can see this option. You can go for that as well. So I'm not going to add my phone number. If you do make any changes on this page, make sure don't forget to click on save changes. That will save your changes, right? Next we have more of fields right here. Let's go ahead and look at the settings. Page asked to leave. Okay, so we are inside the settings of our new user. Here user can update their email or password. Next we have the email tab. Activity: a member mentioned you in an update using username. A member reply to an update or comment you have posted. If you can change these options, you can do that. These are self-explanatory. Just read them and do what you want. Profile visibility: it is just like a Facebook. If you want to visible your profile, you can do that. If you do not want that, you can hide that if you want. Only me. Okay, from here you can delete your account if you want. Export data, group invites, you can play around with it. Very simple to use these things. So let's go ahead and click on members tab right here, and now you can see there are 2 members available on this website. So if you want to become a friend of this person, you have to simply click on add friend. You have sent a friend request to this person, right? So let's go to this person page. Let's go ahead and refresh the page, and now you see one notification. Let's go ahead and look at that. You have a friend request from Rana Singh. Okay, so this is the notification. This is the friend request sent by this new user. Let's open that. From here you can reject it or you can accept it. Let's go ahead accept that friend request. Okay, so now you 2 are friends. So now you have one friend. So now you have one friend right here. Okay, from here you can cancel a friendship if you want. Let's go back to a new user profile. So now let's open this person profile, and from here you can send him a public message or you can send him a private message. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and send him a public message. Say hi. You can post it. So now anyone can see this public message sent to this person. We have tagged this person with hi. Let's go ahead and open this person profile once again, and let's go ahead click on private message. From here you can send him a private message if you want. Let's type a subject. Subject should be hello, whatever you want. Message would be hello, whatever you want, and then click on send. Okay, message has been sent successfully. This is our private chat. Let's go to this person profile, and now you can see, if you refresh the page, look at here, you will see 2 new messages. Let's open that up, and 3 notifications. Or you can go to the messages from here. So you can see that this person now received a 2 message from this person which saying hello hello 2 more time, because I just clicked twice on that send button. That's why this person received 2 messages. Let's look at the friends. This green sign indicates that this person is online right now. Okay, let's go ahead look at the notification. This person mentioned you 2 minutes ago. Let's Let's open that activity page. You can see that under the mentions tab, this new user mentioned this person. That was our public message, right? So this is how you can do that. You can mark as a favorite, you can comment if you want, you can delete this message, public message if you want, you can do whatever you want. So guys, now let me show you how you can create a groups on your website so that you can invite your friends on that group, right? Let's go to the groups tab. To create a group, make sure you log in first and then go to the groups, and here you can see that there is a no group found. Let's go ahead, click on create a group, and here you can type your group name, BuddyX group, description, me and my friends, create group and continue. This is a public group, or this is a private group, or this is a hidden group. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna select it. First option, this is going to be a public group, and next we have the group invitation. Which member of this group are allowed to invite others? All group members, or group admin and mods only, or group admin only. Let's say all group members can invite anyone. Let's go ahead, click on next tab. Here you can upload a group photo. Let's go ahead, add that. Let's add this photo. Let's crop that. Select the region, click on crop image, click on next tab, upload cover image. Okay, let's go ahead, click on next tab. Here you can invite a friend. At this time we have only one member on this website. Let's go ahead, invite that person, and then click on finish and click on leave page. Alright, you can see that we have this group and we have this group image and we have the cover image. So this is the group. Let's go ahead and click on invites tab and invite this person. Go to the send invitation, and now here you can type a message if you want. Let's say hi, that's it, and click on send. Now we have sent the invitation to that person properly. Let's go back to that user page. Now if you refresh the page, so now you can see that we have another notification. Now you will see you have an invitation to the group, BuddyX group. Let's go ahead, open that, and here you can reject or accept that invitation. Let's go ahead, accept that. Alright, so let's go back to that group. Let's refresh the page, and now you will see we have 2 members on this group, right? Which is awesome. So now you know how to create groups, how to send invitations, and you know how to create a profile on this website, and you know how to register on this website. Everything you need to know. So now let's move with the next step. Now we are going to make our activity page as a home page. To do that, let's go ahead, open that activity page first. So anything happen on your community website or website like a Facebook, whatever you call it, going to happen on this activity page. By default, this is a very simple and boring looking page. So let's make it more attractive. To do that, let's go ahead, click on customize. Let's go to the widgets. Let's go to the activity directory right side. Let's go ahead and click on add widget. First we are going to add a members widget. Let's say on the right side, and let's more widget over here. Let's add group widget. Let's add one more latest activity group, which is very useful, and then click on publish. Let's go back here, community left side, add widget. Let's add who's online, right? And maybe let's add something like members. Okay, let's click on publish. We do have members widget right here as well. Let's go back to right side and let's delete that, or maybe let's add a different widget over here. Let's say login, logout, which is good, very useful. You can add as many widgets you want on your website right here. Right now I think we are good here. Let's go ahead, click on publish, close this, and now you can see we have much better looking activity page. And now we are going to make this activity page as a default home page. To do that, let's go back to the dashboard and let's hover your mouse over settings and then click on readings maybe, and then select a static page. Home page should be activity page, and then click on save changes. let's go back here and click on your home page, and this activity page would be your home page. If you go to your profile, if you go to the friends, you have one friend and friend request, you have nothing. So now if you want to post anything on this website, simply you can type whatever you want. Hi world, this is me on this website. You can type whatever you want, you can post update. So this is the new stuff you posted on your website. And if you want to add media or images, let's say you want to post photos, videos on this website, you can do that as well. In order to add that functionality on your website, you have to install another plugin. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's go back to your WordPress dashboard and hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new, and come over here and search for BuddyPress media, something like that, and you are going to install this plugin, RT media for WordPress, BuddyPress and BBPress. And let's go ahead and install now, and then click on activate to activate this plugin. Once you activate, you will see several notices. Let's dismiss these notices one by one. Alright, once you install this plugin, you may see these type of unuseful plugins, so I'm going to delete them because I don't really need them on my website. Once you do that, once you install this RT media plugin, let's go to the settings of this RT media plugin, and now here under the display, make sure you enable these options. Allow user to comment on uploaded media, enable likes for media, that's great. Enable gallery media search, you can do that as well, and we are good here. Then click on save changes, or you can maybe enable direct upload. This is another useful option. Let's go ahead, click on save changes. Alright, let's go to the BuddyPress. Allow upload from activity stream, which is good. Everything is good here. Enable media notification, very useful option, make sure to enable that. Create activity for media likes, which is good. Create activity for media comments, which is good. That's good as well. And then click on save changes, and now go ahead, click on types. What type of media you want to allow a new user to upload on your website? If you want to allow only photo, make sure you enable only photos and disable videos and music, right? So I'm going to allow a new user everything, so I'm not gonna change anything over here. Let's go to the media size. Here you can change the size of your media. I'm not gonna set it to crop. Okay, let's change a thumbnail size, something like maybe 480 by 800 pixel, and medium would be 1280 by 720, which is standard HD, and large would be 9020 by 1080. This is going to be SD, and this is going to be HD, and this is going to be full HD. Video activity player, this is going to be the size of the video. If you want to change the resolution of a video, you can do that as well. And next we have the music. You can change the bitrate or activity player bitrate or single player bitrate, whatever you want. I don't think this is bitrate, but it should be mentioned over here by this plugin. Anyways, if they are watching, make sure they should mention the size about the music, right? Next we have the image quality. It should be 100%, and then click on save settings. Privacy, enable privacy. If you want to enable privacy, you can do that as well. For group uploads, BuddyPress group private privacy is used. I'm not gonna enable that. Custom CSS, other settings, export settings, absolutely fine. So now we are done with RT media. Under the add-ons tab, you can buy more add-ons for this particular plugin if you want to add more extra functionality. So in this video or any video, when I say free website, we are not going to use any kind of paid plugins to get the same features that we can get with the free plugins, right? SEO we can get with free plugins. Why would we spend $49 to get this feature if we can get without spending any money at all, right? Anyways, we are done here. let's go to your profile page and refresh the page. So here you can see we have another option. Let's type your text and here you can upload an image. Let's upload this image, open that and click on post update and then click on post update. So you have simply uploaded this image right here. If you open that, you can see anyone can like this image or you can like this image. And maybe let's go to the new user page. Okay, let's refresh the page, or let's say let's go to the home page and you can see this person has uploaded this image. Let's open that image. Here you can like this image for this person. You and one person like this image, you can see that, and you can comment on your friend's photo. Let's say very nice, whatever you want. Click on comment. This is how you can comment on your friend's photo. Okay, if you refresh the page, now it says 0. Now look at here. If you scroll down, you can see now you have posted a comment on your friend's photo, right? If you come back to this person profile and refresh the page, you will see a notification right here. This person and one more person like your photo, you can see that. Let's open that and this is your media and you can see this person like your photo and comment on your photo, and here you can type a reply to this person, right? By mentioning them, adding @ and mention that person, and you can say thanks bro, whatever you want. Go ahead, click on comment. This is how you can do exact same thing that you used to do on Facebook. So this is how you can upload media on your social media site that we have created for free, right? So now let's come back to the dashboard of WordPress. So guys, now we are going to look at the other settings of this website. Let's come back to your site and let's go to the home page. So guys, here now we are going to customize this website further. Let's go to the customization. So guys, here let's go to the general settings, site layout. So right now this is full width. You can go with box layout if you want, which is not really good. I'm not so really fan of this layout. Let's go ahead, continue with full width, which is going to cover everything. Let's come back here, site loader. If you enable that, you can change the color of your site load. I'm not gonna do that. Let's come back. Page mapping, login page. You can change your login page. You can change your registration page. I'm not gonna map anything over here. Typography, site title. You can change a site title. If you scroll down, you can change the color. You can change the alignment. This is going to be a site title. Okay. If you click any of these pencils icon, you can simply jump to that section to edit that section, right? So let's come back here. Here you can change your site title, your site tagline. Again, you can do that as well. Site header. You can enable the search icon. You can see search icon right here, or you can disable this if you want, right? You can enable login link, or you can disable or you can enable or disable the registration link if you want. You can change the color of your background. Let's go ahead and try to change a color, something like maybe this red color. You will see live preview right side. You can see that. Let's come back to that white area, which is very suitable. Let's go back here. Next we have the site subheading. Don't really need to change anything. You can change the site skin, site blog. We haven't added any blog page on this website. I'll show you how to do that later on. Site sidebar. So here you can choose a site layout. Activity directory site layout should be like both sidebar. Let's go ahead, select that, or you can go with right sidebar only, or you can go left sidebar only. I'm gonna select both sidebar. So I don't really like to change any kind of sidebars. Let's go back to the customization. So now let's go to the homepage settings. Everything is good here. So now I'm going to show you how you can add a logo on your website. Let's go to the site identity. Here you can choose a logo. Let's upload an image, maybe something like so. Randomly I'm gonna select any of them. Let's go ahead and select maybe this image. Select that crop image. So this is going to be your Falcon site icon. Here you can upload a logo. Let's go ahead and upload the same image. Where it is, here we go. Select that top image. Let's see, there we go. You can disable the title and then click on publish. So here you can upload your own logo and you can upload a Falcon right here. Right now I do not have anything, so I randomly upload these images to make my website look more attractive, right? So this is how you can upload a logo and your Falcon. Let's go back. Let's go to this option, BuddyPress, whatever you call it, I don't know how to pronounce it. And here maybe, and here let's go to loop layout. Here you should go with two column, group should be two column, and everything should be two column. And then click on publish. And these are the important settings. Directory layout, I don't really like it. General BP setting. You can use the round style if you want. Here you can see. So now you can see we have changed members and group and avatar into round style, and click on publish. Next, let's look at the group front page, and we are good here. So guys, now I'm going to show you how you can change a copyright section right here. Let's go to your footer section, site footer, copyright section. Here you can type something like created by and type your author name. I'm gonna type and just keep looking down, wait for it, scroll down. You can see that created by Rana's VFX, and then click on publish and close this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how you can create a blog page separately on your website if you want to monetize your website with Google AdSense. This is how you can do that, right? So let's go ahead and create a blog page. To do that, let's come back to the dashboard of your WordPress and let's go to the posts and click on add new. And this is a Gutenberg editor. First I'm gonna add a title of this post. I'm gonna type how to install WordPress. Below that I'm going to add content on this post. So right now I'm going to add a dummy text. So let's go to the Google. I'm gonna performing a Google search for dummy text. I'm going to copy the demo text and let's come back here and let's paste a dummy text, something like that. And then I'm going to click on schedule, maybe not visibility public would be fine. Click on public. Let's go ahead, click on view post. This is our post. Let's come back here. Now we are going to edit this post further. Let's go ahead, click on category, expand that, add new category. I'm gonna type it WordPress, click on add new category, and then you can add tags if you want. I'm gonna type WordPress, press enter, WP, press enter, something like that. Let's add a featured image. Maybe let's upload a featured image. Okay, let's add this featured image and click on set featured image. Okay, now click on update. Alright, we are good here. You can edit this post with Elementor page builder if you want, but in this video I'm not gonna show you how you can edit this page with this Elementor page builder. If you want to learn about Elementor page builder, you can check out my YouTube channel, or you can go to the description box of this video to learn more about Elementor page builder, right? Anyways, let's go to the dashboard. And now let's go to the all post. We are still under the all post. Let's delete this hello world demo post. Delete that. And now we are going to create a blog page. To do that, hover your mouse over pages and then click on add new. So now type a title of this page. I'm gonna type blogs and then click on publish. Scheduling, this is now public page. Let's go ahead, copy it, or you can open link in a new tab. Let's see, this is a public, right? So by default there's no content here. Let's come back to your dashboard and now go to the settings and then click on reading, and here post page should be a blogs that we just created, and then click on save changes, and let's go to your blog page. After your domain, type slash and type your page name, blogs, and now you can see that we have our blog page separately, right? So now let's go to the customization. Let's go to the menus, go to this menu, and let's go to the add item, and I'm going to add a page that we created just earlier. Scroll down, this is the page that we just created, and I'm gonna drag and drop that page over here. Alright, let's go ahead, click on publish. Let's close this. So now you can see by clicking on home page, they can use their community website or website like a Facebook, or by clicking on the blog page, they can read a blog post of your website. How cool it is, right? So guys, I think I covered almost everything of this website. If any case or any reason I forget something to mention or to teach you guys, you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below. But at this point of time, your website is not completed yet. If you want to complete your website, you have to do more things on your website. Something like you have to do some SEO for your website, you have to create a business email, and you have to submit your website on popular search engines like Google, Bing and Yahoo. And you have to learn more about customization, how you can customize your website. Don't worry, I have created separate video for each topic that I just mentioned you guys. Watch those videos. You will find those videos links in the description box of this video, and create your complete website. And that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did, if you want more videos just like this one, then make sure you comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like this video. That would be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.